Hello, Richard here from Eagle6 Airsoft. We are going to be testing this TM MK46. So this one has come in for a service and upgrade package. So we've installed an M90 spring, so Eagle6 upgrade spring for Mark 46. We've put 2 spacers on there. We tried 3, but it was coming in 2 FPS over the limit. So we've taken that power spacer off. It's now 289 on 2 8s. And we've also got an R-hop kit in there, so that's obviously lifting quite well with a modified TM hop rubber and patch from the Psionic. We've got the Eagle6 flat hop nub, which we combine with the Psionic nub. So we've got the Eagle6 bearing set installed. We've got the Eagle6 upgraded anti-reversal latch, which is of a stainless steel, which is a much higher strength than the original cast metal from TM. We've got the Eagle6 upgraded piston, which is a full metal rack piston. We've got the Warhead brushless motor, which is 35k, and yeah, and that's it. Obviously, we just range tested this on some 2 8s, and we just want to just do a stress test now, just to make sure it's ready to go back to the customer and it doesn't stop working and nothing falls off, etc., etc. There we go. So all ready to go back. We hope you enjoy, and yeah, have lots of fun. Thank you.